I have worked hard enough. How could I have lived without knowing what would the exquisite pleasure of custom and a luxury interior feel in my dad's classic? Let Elite Custom Upholstery redefine your understanding of elegance. Elite Custom Upholstery isn't just about upgrading your car, it's an invitation to indulge in the exclusive world of bespoke elegance, which until now was only available to the elite. From the iconic curves of a 1955 Mercedes SL 300 Gullwing to the modern prowess of a 2015 Ferrari 458 Italia Speciale, or that rare kit you've been thinking of finishing, each vehicle is transformed into a masterpiece. Imagine sinking into seats swathed in the finest leathers, your fingertips brushing against specialty wood finishes like piano black or the sleek touch of carbon fiber. And as night falls, gaze up at a headliner twinkling with LED stars, a constellation crafted just for you. Whether it's the custom-stitched interiors, meticulously laid carpets, handmade wooden steering wheel, or state-of-the-art audio systems, every detail is tailored to the connoisseur's taste. At Elite Custom Upholstery, luxury isn't an option, it's a standard.